Okay. Weaver bird. Which bird nest is that?
Weaver bird.
Weaver bird nest. Okay. Next. Which bird nest?
Tyler bird.
Tyler bird nest. This one?
Sparrow nest.
Okay, good. Next.
Parrot nest.
Okay. Your bird?
Tyler bird nest.
Tyler bird nest. You both done, huh? Next. Your bird nest what?
Eagle bird nest.
Eagle bird nest. Your?
Ma'am, pigeon ma'am.
Pigeon. Your?
Sparrow nest.
Sparrow nest. Okay. Next. Your nest.
Tyler bird nest.
Show me. Remove that one. Okay. This is Exa.
Yes ma'am.
Show me how Tyler bird stitch like this.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Next. Your nest.
Tyler bird.
You also Tyler bird nest. That one. Which bird? Crow's nest. Okay. Okay. Everybody finished your nest. Okay. Note down your observation in your do-one document. Everyone. Are you understand how to make bird's nest?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.